As you can see in my iPhone, here is two Instagram app. So this is my first Instagram app and this is my second Instagram app. And if you want, you can use different Instagram account here. Now I'll show you how you can easily get two Instagram app in your iPhone. First of all, you have to install Instagram official app from App Store. So go to your App Store and search for Instagram, and all you have to need install Instagram app in your iPhone and then sign into your first account here. And then to get second Instagram app, you have to open a browser in your iPhone. So you can open Safari browser, and in Safari browser just type instagram.com and open Instagram official website. And once you are here, just tap on login, and all you have to need, go ahead and sign into your Instagram account from your browser. Once you successfully signed in, now it's time to add our second Instagram app in our iPhone. So tap on the share icon, and here just tap on add to home screen, tap on add, and you'll see your Instagram has been successfully added. And that's how you will be able to add more than two Instagram apps and accounts in your iPhone to use them at the same time. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.